Hey guys, I wanted to make something that I could have for a snack, but maybe something I could substitute for a full course too. And I thought of chicken, and then I thought, I'm always doing chicken. Then I thought, I know there's a chicken pot pie, but I thought maybe of a beef pot pie would be a nice change. And I went ahead and made up these beef pot pie muffins. They came out absolutely spectacular. Put them with some fries or just have them as a snack. These are great. Let me show you how to make them. So what I've got here is a pan over medium-high heat, and I'm going to add a bit of oil in. Then I've got half a pound of beef strips, and I've just cut them into chunks. And so we'll just add this to the pan. And of course we'll season this with a bit of salt. And my all-time favorite, some ground black pepper. And fry these up until they're browned and cooked through. Once we're browned up enough to this point, I'm just going to turn off the heat. Add our beefy to a bowl. I had a little piece, and it's good just the way it is, guys. A can of cream of mushroom soup. And you can use cream of beef too if you can find it. But I like me old cream of mushroom. Cream of cauliflower might be good too. A cup of mixed veggies. Followed by a cup of grated cheddar cheese. Now I'm using the old Sharp, but you can use the cheese of your choice. Then a teaspoon of garlic powder. And you can use fresh garlic too. A teaspoon of onion powder, and about a teaspoon of my all-time favorite, Flavor Explosion. I'm not going to put pepper in, I'm not going to put salt in because the cream of mushroom soup is salty enough, and we already did that. I should mention this Flavor Explosion is great stuff. It's got everything in it, and I got it at Walmart. It was just a couple of bucks. You can leave this out if you want, but I just love it. Then I'm going to take my handy dandy wooden spoon and fold and mix everything together. This is going to be so wonderful. Next up, what I got here are some crescent rolls. And you can pick this up in any grocery store. You can use puff pastry, whatever you like. I'm just going to use the crescent rolls today. And I'm going to cut these in half. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut them into quarters. Doesn't have to be exact. Then I'm going to take my muffin tray. This is a fairly large one. I'm going to use it anyway. And although this is Teflon, I'm going to give it a spray just in case I want to struggle to get these things out. Take my pastry and just kind of place it in and then tuck it down. It's going to kind of come out over the edges, but that's going to be a nice rustic effect you're going to like on these little muffins here. Then scoop up some of my yumly mixture, and I'm just going to put this into the muffins. Oh, this is going to be so yummy. You might have some of this left over to make a few more muffins. Now, surprisingly, guys, once I got the mixture in there wasn't much left, so I've got enough for 8 muffins here. Now what I'm going to do is slip these into a 375 degree Fahrenheit, that's about 180, 190 Celsius preheated oven for about 17 minutes. After about 17 minutes, guys, there you have it, our beef pot pie muffins. So scrumptious and delicious. Now I'm going to let these cool for a couple of minutes, guys, but I just couldn't resist. I had to pull one out just to see what it looks like. And just look at this. Isn't this a cute little devil? I just love it. So I'm just going to go ahead and put these aside on a plate, guys. Wow. I love it. Okay, let's go ahead and give these a taste test. I really like these guys. Of course, me, anything with pastry I like. The pastry is so good, done to perfection. But that filling is just gorgeous. The believe it or not, the soup combined with the beef, the spices, the veggies, it's just great. Like I say, it's great for a snack. You can use it as a main course, serve it up some fries or potatoes or something like that. And also, so for the full scoop on this recipe, guys, head on over to cookandshare.com. We're going to have the site totally revamped. Hope to have it out this weekend maybe, or this week I should say. I plan to do a video on it too, introducing all the features and how to navigate through it and stuff like that. It's going to be a fantastic website. All of our old recipes and our new recipes are going to be there. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe and see you next time.